Welcome back to Smart Income Masters, where we make money smarter.
Sure.
We're diving into the world of AI-powered content creation today and how it's helping people build some serious income streams.
Yeah, it's pretty wild what's going on out there.
We've got some fascinating success stories in our source material.
Oh, yeah.
People are using AI to pull in some impressive figures from all sorts of stuff.
Like what?
YouTube, digital art, and even blogging, just to name a few.
For sure, for sure.
So if you're looking to level up your income game, hit that subscribe button and come along with us.
Let's dive in.
All right, so AI, it's not just some futuristic concept anymore. This stuff is happening right now.
Yeah, it's really changing the game.
Okay, so let's unpack that a bit.
Sure.
What does that look like?
So think about how content used to be created. It was a long and tedious process.
Right.
You'd spend hours writing scripts, designing visuals, editing videos. It was just a ton of manual work.
Yeah, lots of grinding.
Exactly. But AI is changing all that. Tools like ChatGPT delay a MidJourney.
Yeah.
They're becoming legitimate income-generating tools.
Wow. So how are people actually using these tools to make money? I mean, the source material mentions some pretty eye-popping figures.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Well, one of the most popular ways is through YouTube. There are creators out there making upwards of $60,000 a month using AI to automate their channels.
$60,000 a month? Wow, that's incredible. What's the secret sauce?
Well, they're using AI for everything. The scripting, the visuals, even the voiceovers. Yeah, like ChatGPT, for example. You can use it to come up with video ideas and write entire scripts.
Wow.
And then you can use a tool like Pictory to turn those scripts into videos, complete with stock footage and, AI-generated voiceovers.
So you're telling me that AI is doing the heavy lifting?
Pretty much.
Wow. So that frees up the creators to focus on, the business side of things?
Exactly. They can focus on strategy monetization, scaling their channels.
Yeah.
It's like having a whole team of virtual assistants working for you 24/7.
Wow, that's awesome.
And we're not just talking about one YouTube channel. Some creators are managing multiple channels across different niches, all powered by AI.
Wow, that's impressive.
Yeah.
But it's not just YouTube, right? What about other areas like digital art?
Oh, yeah. Digital art is another area where AI is making a big splash. Platforms like MidJourney allow artists to create stunning pieces in minutes.
Really?
Yeah. And these aren't just pretty pictures, They're selling for thousands of dollars.
Thousands?
Yeah.
That's wild. How does that even work?
Well, think of it as a collaboration between the artist and the AI. MidJourney generates the initial design, and then the artist uses their skills and tools like Photoshop to customize it, make it their own.
Right.
And then they can sell their art as Prince merchandise or digital downloads on platforms like Etsy and Redbubble.
So they're using AI for that initial creative spark.
Yeah.
But the artist's touch is still really important?
Definitely. It's not just about spitting out generic AI-generated content. It's about using AI as a tool to enhance your own creativity and skills.
All right, that makes sense. Okay, so we've got YouTube and digital art. But what about people who are more into writing? Can AI help them make money too?
Absolutely. We're seeing a lot of bloggers using AI to create high-quality content that's optimized for search engines, that drives traffic and generates income through things like affiliate marketing.
Affiliate marketing. I've heard a lot about it,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm not entirely sure how it works. Can you break it down for our listeners?
Sure. Imagine you're writing a blog post about the best laptops for college students.
Yeah.
You can use an AI tool like Jasper.ai to help you generate ideas and write the content.
Oh.
Then you can incorporate affiliate links to those laptops within your blog post.
Mm-hmm.
So if someone clicks on your link and buys a laptop, you earn a commission.
So it's like recommending products you actually believe in and getting paid for it.
Exactly. It's a win-win for both the blogger and the reader. The reader gets valuable recommendations and the blogger earns income.
Right. This is all starting to sound pretty exciting.
Yeah.
But how does someone even get started with all these AI tools? Seems like there's a lot to learn.
Well, the good news is that most of these tools are designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners.
Okay, that's good.
A lot of them offer free trials or basic plans, so you can get your feet wet without a huge investment.
Yeah.
So don't be afraid to jump in and experiment.
That's a great tip. So you don't need to be a tech wizard to get started with AI.
Not at all. And the more you use these tools, the more familiar and comfortable you'll become. Remember, AI is a tool. It's there to help you, not to replace you.
Right. That's a good point. This has been incredibly insightful so far. We've covered YouTube, digital art, and blogging, but let's delve a little deeper into how these creators are actually making money.
Okay, yeah, let's explore some specific monetization strategies they're using, to turn their AI-powered content into profit.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've talked about how AI can help with you know, creating content for YouTube, digital art, and blogging.
Yeah.
But now let's get into like the nitty-gritty of how to actually make money from it all. So what are some of the monetization strategies that these creators are using?
Well, for YouTube, the most obvious one is ad revenue.
Right?
Once your channel reaches a certain number of subscribers
Hmm.
and watch hours, you can join the YouTube Partner Program
Okay.
and start earning money from ads that play on your videos.
Makes sense. But are there other ways YouTubers are using AI for income
Yeah.
besides just running ads?
Oh, yeah, definitely. One strategy that's becoming really popular is using AI for affiliate marketing.
Okay.
Remember how we talked about bloggers incorporating affiliate links into their content?
Yeah.
Well, YouTubers are doing the same thing.
Really?
Yeah, they're using AI to research and identify relevant products to promote, and then, seamlessly weave those promotions into their videos.
So like, for example, a YouTuber who creates cooking tutorials could use AI to find and recommend specific kitchen gadgets or ingredients, and then include affiliate links to those products in the video description.
Exactly. It's a great way to monetize content without being too salesy.
Yeah, I like that.
And it's a win-win for everyone. The viewer gets valuable product recommendations, the affiliate company makes a sale, and the YouTuber earns a commission.
That's a pretty clever strategy.
Yeah.
Now, what about digital artists? How are they using AI to boost their earnings?
Well, AI is opening up a ton of new possibilities for digital artists. When it comes to monetization,
Okay.
one approach is selling limited edition prints or merchandise, featuring their AI-generated artwork.
Okay.
They can use platforms like Etsy or Shopify to create their own online stores and sell directly to customers.
So they're not just limited to selling individual pieces of art anymore. They can like create a whole brand around their AI-generated design.
Exactly. Think t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags. The possibilities are endless.
Ah, that's cool.
And they can even use AI to help them design these products and create mock-ups to showcase them in their online stores.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
But selling physical products involves things like manufacturing and shipping, right? That can be a lot for a solo artist to handle.
Yeah, for sure. That's where print-on-demand services come in.
Right.
Companies like Printful, they allow artists to upload their designs, and then Printful handles everything else, the printing, packaging, and shipping, whenever an order is placed.
Wow, so the artist doesn't even have to touch the product.
Nope, they don't have to worry about inventory or logistics, and they only pay for the production costs when a sale is made.
That's a game changer.
Yeah.
So this is really starting to paint a picture of how AI isn't just helping people create content, it's giving them the tools to build entire businesses around it.
Right.
What about the writers? What kind of monetization strategies are they using?
Well, for writers, AI can be a game changer for affiliate marketing.
Okay.
AI tools can help them identify high-paying affiliate programs and niche products that are perfectly aligned with their content. And then they can weave those affiliate links into their blog posts, their articles, even their social media posts.
So AI is helping them find the most profitable opportunities and optimize their content for conversions.
Precisely. And it doesn't stop there. AI can also help writers create high-converting sales copy, email sequences, even landing pages for their affiliate products.
So it's like having a whole marketing team at your fingertips.
Yeah, pretty much.
This is really eye-opening stuff. It sounds like AI is democratizing access to income opportunities. That might have been much harder to tap into before.
That's exactly right. AI is empowering individuals to build their own businesses, set their own hours, and generate income on their own terms.
That's incredible.
It's a really exciting time to be a creator.
It certainly is. But with all these amazing opportunities, are there any potential challenges or downsides that people should be aware of when using AI for content creation?
That's a really important question. While AI offers incredible potential, it's crucial to use it wisely and be mindful of the potential pitfalls.
Okay, so what are some things that people should watch out for?
Well, one thing to keep in mind is that AI tools are constantly evolving.
Right.
What works today might not work tomorrow. It's essential to stay updated on the latest advancements and adapt your strategies accordingly.
So relying solely on AI without keeping yourself informed could be a recipe for disaster.
Exactly. You don't want to become complacent and assume that the AI will do all the thinking for you.
Right.
You still need to be actively involved, understand how the technology works, and be prepared to adjust your approach as needed. Another challenge to consider is the issue of originality.
Makes sense. I mean, with everyone using the same tools, how do you avoid creating content that's generic or indistinguishable from the competition.
Yeah, it's a valid concern. AI can definitely help you generate ideas and content,
Right.
but it's crucial to bring your own unique perspective, voice, and creativity to the table.
Okay.
Use AI as a starting point,
Mhm.
and then build on it with your own insights, experiences, and personality.
So it's about using AI as a tool to enhance your own creativity, not replace it entirely.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to experiment, push boundaries, and infuse your content with your own unique style. That's what will really set you apart in a crowded marketplace.
This is all really valuable advice. It sounds like the key takeaway here is that AI is a powerful tool, but it's still just a tool. The success of your content ultimately depends on your own skills, creativity, and business savvy.
I couldn't have said it better myself. AI can amplify your efforts and help you achieve incredible things, but it's not a magic bullet. You still need to put in the work, stay informed, and be willing to adapt and evolve.
We've talked a lot about the exciting possibilities of AI-powered content creation, some of the challenges involved. I'm curious to hear your thoughts on the bigger picture. How do you see this technology shaping the future of work and income generation?
It's a fascinating question, and one that has far-reaching implications. I believe we're on the cusp of a major shift in how we think about work and income. AI isn't just about automating tasks. It's about empowering individuals to create their own opportunities and build sustainable businesses.
Right.
We're already seeing this happening with the rise of the creator economy,
Elliot.
where individuals are leveraging their skills and passions to generate income online.
That's an interesting perspective.
Hmm?
Are you suggesting that AI could lead to a more decentralized and democratized economy, where individuals have more control over their own livelihoods?
Exactly. AI has the potential to level the playing field and
Yeah.
give anyone with an internet connection the ability to create, connect, and earn income.
Wow.
It's a really empowering shift that could have a profound impact on our society.
That's a really optimistic outlook, and it's definitely something to be excited about.
Yeah.
But let's be realistic for a second. There are always concerns about technology, displacing jobs, and leaving people behind. How do we navigate that potential challenge?
That's a valid concern, and it's one we need to address proactively. It's crucial that we focus on reskilling and upskilling the workforce to ensure that everyone has the opportunity to thrive. In this new AI-driven economy,
Yeah.
we need to invest in education and training programs that equip people with the skills they need to succeed in fields where AI is playing an increasing role.
That makes a lot of sense. It's not about fearing the technology, but about adapting to it
Yeah.
and embracing the opportunities it presents.
Exactly. AI is not going away. It's only going to become more integrated into our lives and work. The key is to embrace the change, learn new skills, and be open to new possibilities.
This has been a fascinating conversation, and I'm sure our listeners are eager to learn more about how they can start incorporating AI into their own income-generating strategies.
Absolutely. Let's dive into some practical steps and resources that people can use to get started on their AI-powered income journey.
All right, so we've covered a ton of ground in this deep dive, exploring the exciting world of AI-powered income.
Yeah, it's a lot to take in.
From YouTube automation to digital art and affiliate marketing.
Mm-hmm.
It's clear that AI is opening up a whole new world of possibilities for creators and entrepreneurs.
Yeah, for sure.
But for someone just starting out, it can be a little overwhelming.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Where do you even begin?
Right.
What are some practical steps people can take to get started?
Well, a great first step is to identify your niche.
Okay.
What are you passionate about? What skills or knowledge do you have that you can share with the world?
Right.
And remember, choosing a niche you genuinely enjoy is crucial
Yeah.
because you're going to be spending a lot of time creating content around it.
That's a good point. You don't want to burn out on something you're not passionate about.
Mm.
So once you found your niche, what's next?
The next step is to research and familiarize yourself with the AI tools out there,
Okay.
the ones that align with your chosen niche and content format.
Right.
So if you're planning to create videos, explore tools like ChatGPT for script writing and Pictory for video editing. For digital art platforms like MidJourney and DALL-E are great options. And for writing, tools like Jasper.ai and Copy.ai can help you generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently.
There are so many tools out there. It can definitely feel overwhelming. Any tips for navigating this landscape and choosing the right tools?
Yeah, don't be afraid to experiment and take advantage of free trials or basic plans.
Right.
Most reputable AI tools offer these options, so you can test the waters before making a financial commitment.
That's a good idea. It's always better to try before you buy,
Uh,
especially with technology.
yeah.
So once you've got your niche and your tools figured out, what's the next step towards actually making money?
Well, this is where the monetization strategies we discussed earlier come into play.
Right.
For YouTubers, focus on building a subscriber base and creating engaging content. That qualifies for the YouTube Partner Program and ad revenue.
Okay.
You can also explore affiliate marketing opportunities within your niche. To diversify your income streams, digital artists can leverage platforms like Etsy and Redbubble to sell prints and merchandise, featuring their AI-generated artwork.
Right.
Or they can tap into print-on-demand services for hassle-free fulfillment.
And for writers.
For writers, mastering the art of affiliate marketing is key through strategic product recommendations and high-converting copy.
Okay. So it sounds like there are a lot of different paths to success
Yeah.
with AI-powered income. But it's not just about setting up an AI tool and watching the money roll in, right?
No, definitely not. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet.
Right.
Success requires effort, strategy, and continuous learning.
So you're saying it's not a passive income stream?
No, not at all. You need to stay informed about the latest trends in your niche, adapt to the ever-evolving AI landscape, and, constantly refine your skills and strategies.
So it's about using AI to amplify your own abilities, not replace them entirely.
Exactly. Think of AI as your creative partner.
Okay.
It can help you generate ideas, streamline your workflow,
Uh-huh.
and reach a wider audience. But ultimately, your success hinges on your own creativity, business acumen, and dedication to providing value to your audience.
This has been an awesome deep dive into the world of AI-powered income.
Yeah, it's been fun.
We've explored the incredible opportunities this technology presents, as well as the importance of using it wisely and ethically. Before we wrap up, any final words of wisdom for our listeners who are ready to embark on their own AI-powered journey?
Embrace the power of AI, but never underestimate the power of your own unique skills, passions, and perspectives.
That's a good one.
Stay curious, experiment, and don't be afraid to push the boundaries of what's possible. The future of income generation is here, and it's exciting.
Couldn't have said it better myself. So if you're ready to explore the world of AI-powered income and make money smarter, be sure to subscribe to Smart Income Masters for more insights, tips, and strategies. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep reaching for your goals.